Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove emergency call from lock screen. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you want to remove someone from your emergency call here, so there is a few things that you need to do. So first things first is you want to open up your phone here. You want to go to your settings and you want to go and just scroll down a bit here. Now, what we're looking for specifically is going to be the safety and emergency section. Now, depending on your phone, it might be different. It might be emergency alerts, something like that. So look for something that says safety and emergency or something along the lines. So in this case, it's going to open it up. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and look for the option here that says emergency contacts. Let's go and open it up. Now, in here, what you need to do is you want to go and just look at the emergency contact that you want to remove. Now, if you remove everyone in the screen, you should be able to basically remove the emergency call on your lock screen, so the details of the person will not be exposed. So yeah, in this case, you want to go and just click on the three dotted option you see at the right side here, and you want to go and just press the remove button that you'll be seeing in there. So once you click on it, it's going to ask, do you want to remove this person? Go ahead and click on remove. And basically, that would basically remove that person or the contact of that person in this specific screen. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.